Hello students, welcome to GK class 2021-2022. First of all, thank God for giving this opportunity to know some general knowledge. Okay, all of you please open page number 8. Page number 8, word power. Unscramble the letters to form words used to name people who have certain qualities. First one who sleep walks. Somnambulist. Somnambulist. Second one who looks on the gloomy side of things. Pessimist. Pessimist. One who looks on the bright side of things. Optimist. Optimist. One who scoffs at the beliefs and actions of other people. Cynic. Cynic. One who scoffs at the beliefs and actions of other people. Cynic. One who is forced to leave his or her country or home because of war or for political, religious, or social reasons. Refugee. Refugee. One who donates time or money to good causes. Philanthropist. Philanthropist. One who can speak in such a way that the voice seems to be coming from elsewhere. Ventriloquist. Ventriloquist. One who is banished from his or her country. Exile. Exile. One who is banished from his or her country. Exile. One who offers service without payment. One who offers service without payment. So volunteer. Volunteer. A partner in crime. Accomplice. Accomplice. Now all of you please open page number 7. So know your numbers. Page number 7, know your numbers. First, B part, fill in the blanks with the words positive or negative to complete these facts. Fill in the blanks with the words positive or negative. First question, every integer other than 0 is either positive or negative. So integer, positive numbers, 0 or negative numbers. So every integer other than 0 is either positive or negative. The second question, the height of a place above sea level is recorded using positive integers. The height of a place above sea level is recorded using positive integers. Then how will you record the height of the depth of the sea level? That the depth of the sea, that is below sea level, with negative integers. Okay. Then the third one, we use dash numbers to record temperatures which are colder than 0 degree Celsius. All of you know, negative numbers, right? The answer is negative. Fourth question, in elevators and lifts, negative numbers indicate stories below the ground floor. Negative numbers. The answer is negative. Then above the ground floor with positive numbers, right? The fourth question answer is negative. In elevators and lifts, dash numbers indicate stories below the ground floor. That's negative. Negative. In a quiz, dash marking is used to show mark lost for wrong answers. That's negative marks. So if the answer is correct, they will give some marks positive. Suppose if the answer is wrong, then they will deduct some mark. That's a negative marking. Okay, the next one. Figure it out. See part. Figure it out. See, add 8 8s to get 1000. So we can make 1000 in different way, many ways, but you have to add 8 8s, only 8 8s to get 1000. See here, 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That makes 1000. If we add all these numbers, makes 1000. According to this question. Add 8 8s to get 1000. 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That makes 1000. Okay, shall we go for the next one? Two fathers and two sons had lunch together. They ate exactly 3 sandwiches. 3 sandwiches. And each person had a sandwich. Each person had a sandwich. Explain how. So here they say two fathers and two sons. Two fathers and two sons. How many persons had lunch together here? You have to think. How many persons? Okay. And they ate exactly 3 sandwiches. And each person had a sandwich. Explain how. Two fathers, two sons. Okay. If you think little bit, you may say 4 persons, but not 4 persons here. See, two fathers. One is grandfather and the other is father. Okay, father. And the third one is son. Only one son I said, but how 2 sons? Okay, the father is the son of grandfather. So 2 sons. Okay, 2 sons. So 2 fathers and 1 son. See, the grandfather, the father and the son had 1 sandwich each. Grandfather, the father and the son had 1 sandwich each. Not 4 persons. Here 3 persons had lunch together. That is important. Third question. Use the numbers 6, 6, 9 and 9 in an equation to get 69. 6, 6, 9, 9. Okay. So how will you make? To get 69, see 6 into 9, that is 54, plus 6 plus 9, 15. 54 plus 15. If you add, you will get 69. 6 into 9 plus 6 plus 9. A woman has 7 daughters and each daughter has a brother. How many children does the woman have altogether? See the question carefully. A woman has 7 daughters and each daughter has a brother. Each daughter has a brother. That's a twist. Okay. How many children does the woman have altogether? So woman has 7 daughters. See, each daughter has a brother. That means each daughter has one brother. So every daughter not separately have brother. Okay. So only one brother. They have only one brother in common. A brother. Okay. One brother. So 7 daughters plus one brother. So 8. There are 8 children. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 children. Correct the following equation by moving just the symbols. 101 minus 102 is equal to 1. 101 minus 102 is equal to 1. So you have to move only the symbols. Symbols means that minus or equal sign. So should not change any numbers. Okay. You keep the number as it is. Keep all the numbers as it is. So move the minus sign and equal sign. So just interchange them. You will get the answer. See, if you subtract 1 from 102, you will get 101. So 101 is equal to 102 minus 1. Just all. We have only moved the signs. That's all. Minus sign and equal symbol. Thank you, students.